So right now, we're about to make the circumscription of a circle on a triangle. And we know that circumscription of a circle on a triangle is the circumference of the circle touching the outer part of the triangle, that is the edges of the triangle. Now, as you can see on my left hand part, that we have been given the measurement, the specified measurement for this particular circumscription of a circle on a triangle. Now, xy is being given as 50 millimeter, which is also the same thing as 5 centimeter. So you place your ruler gradually on this line and measure out your 5 centimeter. So you mark it out as xy 50 or 5 centimeter. Now, from this particular measurement, we have been given that yz is 40 millimeter. So it means that from this part of the triangle, of the line, the horizontal line, yz is 40 millimeter. And we can't get this using just ordinary ruler. So we have to use our compass to get 40 millimeter. That is 4 centimeter. So you measure out 4 centimeter using your compass and your ruler. So you place your compass on Y and strike an arc. So after then, looking at the measurement given, we are told that zx is 5 or 50 millimeter or 5 centimeter. Now, I want you to understand that we being given zx is also the same thing as we being given xz. So it means that zx is also the same thing as xz. So, which means that measurement xz is 50 millimeter. So you measure out your measurement using xz to get your 5 centimeter. So you measure it out with the compass and your ruler. So now we are measuring 5 centimeter. As you can see, we've achieved this. So you place your compass gently on your X and strike the arc of YZ. So right now, you'll be striking the arc. So we've gotten two arcs using the measurement of YZ and XZ. So you can label this part as C. So you connect this point and to A and connect this point also to Y. That is, you connect C, or let me say Z. You connect X to Z and you connect Z to Y. So you do this gently. So right now, we've achieved the triangle that needs a circumscription on it. Now, right now, we want to draw a circle that is the circumference of the circle touching the triangle. Now, when we want to draw the circumference of the circle, we can pick any part of the triangle. That is, we can pick any two parts of the triangle to get the center of the circle. So you can decide to pick any part, but for me, I will pick XY and XZ. So we're going to be bisecting line XY to get the center. Also, we'll be bisecting XZ to get the center. So where both of them connect, that's the center of the circumference of the circle. So right now, we want to bisect XY. So you place your compass on X to any measurement more than the middle of the XY, and ensure that it does not go beyond measurement of XY. So you can just extend it and strike an arc. Also, place it on Y and strike an arc. So we've gotten where both of them meet, that is the arc gotten from X and the arc gotten from Y, where they both meet. You got this place as C1. Using the same measurement, you get the upper part of it as well. So this is the C2. So you connect where they both meet, you connect C1 and C2, so as you can bisect this XY. So you connect it with a thin line. As you can see, we've successfully connected C1 and C2, the bisection of XY. Now, like I told you, you can pick any other part of the triangle. So right now we're picking Y and Z. I'm bisecting Y and Z. So you place your compass on Z and extend it to any part not greater than the measurement of ZY or YZ, up and down, up and the other side. You place it on Y as well to cut or to bisect the arc, both right and left. So as you can see, we've gotten two arcs, two bisection, and so you can label this part as D1 and D2. So you connect points D1 and D2 together. So now if you look at it carefully, you will see that both the line that bisects Y and Z, also the line that bisects X and Y, both intersect as a point here. So you can dot this point and label it point O. So after then, you make use of a compass to get the circumscription on the triangle. So the next thing is that we want to draw the circle, that is the circumference of the circle touching the triangle. So before we proceed, we want to test it. You must ensure that you test the compass on the three edges of the triangle to see if it touches it before you finally draw the circle. So right now we're testing it. You place your compass on O and place it on Z to see. So as you can see that it successfully touched the three edges of the triangle. It touched Y, it touched Z, and it also touched X. So therefore you can proceed in thickening and also drawing your circle. So right now we've successfully done the circumscription of a circle on a triangle.